approach for landing in Umueri International Airport. This is a visual landing. Weather seems to be good. Final approach, look at the beautiful landscape of Anambra State. The vegetation. To think that Akpoko Edike has finally done it. What everyone had planned to do for ages is now real in Anambra State, an airport. Yes, look at some of the crane dock trucks and runway touchdown. Beautiful. That was a little bit of a...
What happens?
Welcome to Anambra State. Yes.
Welcome.
Cheers. Welcome to Anambra State. Drink up, ladies. We're here. Finally. Wow.